Find the area of the shaded shape. Now this shape here, where you have two parallel sides joined by two lines which are unequal length, i.e. a quadrilateral, is called a trapezium. Later you will find actually the formula for finding the area of a trapezium. But if we split it into two triangles, we're going to call this length here A, and then we're going to call this length here B. If we split it into two triangles, then this length here is called the vertical height. So what we've got is one triangle here which we'll call A, and another triangle here which we'll call B. We'll find the area of that triangle and the area of that triangle and add it together. So if we now look at the area of triangle A, which is this one here, we take the area of the base, half times the base, which is 2, times the perpendicular height. Remember, it's always the perpendicular height, which is 12. This is the height which is at right angles to the base. So it's going to be a half times 2, which is the base, times 12. Half of 2 is 1. 1 times 12 makes 12 meters squared. Now if we look at triangle B, so the base for this one will be this length here, A. So it will be half of A times H in this case. So A, it's going to be a half of 10 times the perpendicular height. Again, the perpendicular height will be this length here, because this height here is at right angles to this base. So that makes half times 10 times 12. Half of 10 is 5, and 5 12 is 60. We want the total area, so the total area will be equal to 12 plus 60, which is 72 meters squared. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the area of a trapezium by splitting it into two triangles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.